Have you all been able to do that?
Yes.
Let's use my cable.
Yes. What? That one is not working.
No, it's not working for my cable. Are we all at our email address? Okay. Now, if you are there, you want to use a certain tab on your Gmail account. So you go to this app drawer. You can see my cursor around there. There is a drawer here. So top right, it's up here.
At the corner.
This is it. Top right here. Then if you click on it, you will see a list of apps there.
What of
Okay.
those of us who already have customized email that we don't use to go through the browser?
I think it's working now, Mr. Bell.
You have to go
Let
to
me
the browser.
understand that.
She's using the mail app for Windows.
Oh, okay, no.
You need
are
to go
going
to the browser.
Use your browser, your Google Chrome. So if you are here, scroll down, you are looking for slides. Scroll down, you are looking for slides, color yellow icon, slides. All right, so click on slides. When you click on slides, you're going to have a blank sheet.
The internet has stopped, so I'm shifting to my personal work.
Yes, okay. Thank you, sir.
Chrome.
I'm not sure if it's in
All right, are we all there? All right, good.
Yes.
And you should sign into your Gmail.
Yes. No, not French.
But then one
Why did you have
that what you said we should do?
One shot down.
Is this what you are talking about? Where is the slide?
So you can create a blank presentation. Blank. All right.
No.
So I expect everybody to have something like this. Do we all have something like this?
Yes.
All right. Now, like we all know, presentation is just basically to write out your points so people can follow your points. You're using it to highlight your points for people. We can create a template. We can create a template for the institution such that anybody from this institution who is presenting a paper or any document, making a presentation, will always have a particular kind of template that they follow. So we can add the school's logo, the school name under it. So any other things will just be there. So we are going to create something like that now. Let me teach a course. I will call it, I taught a course today, that is online meeting etiquette, right? So I'm going to create it.
Yeah, you said that. And,
Yes.
I would have said that is when we sing we forgive.
All right, sir. So now, the first box that you have here, I want you to also do it along with me. You have a first box here, just click on it. The first one that has click to add subtitle. Have you clicked on it? Oh, maybe you should switch to your personal internet.
Oh, it's working now.
So we are there now. What's the next one?
Click to add title. Click on the
Click to
button.
add title.
Yeah, so you can write your name. No, not your name, the title of your work. The title of your work. So my own will be Internet Meeting Etiquette.
And the browser and another browser.
So I've created mine.
Okay.
And edge.
So this is mine.
My own too.
Okay, I can make it more beautiful, right? So for me, I don't like the way it is. The way anytime we want to build house, we always block space around it, right? When our house touches the wall or it's too close to the wall, it's not as fine as when you have space around your house, there's gardening and all of that. So my internet meeting etiquette, I want to create some space for it. So I may just break this down and I make it a story building. Don't mind me. Then the next thing can be for your name. So I can just say So this is just the opening. Now, for me, I always love colors are also very important. So I have different kind of colors here. If you want to give it another color, maybe for it to be presented there, so you can see these ones that I created. I changed the color. I changed the color.
Where did you pick color?
Yes, I'm going to show. I'm just showing us an example now. So, for example, this one, internet meeting etiquette. The way we do with our Microsoft Word, you can align it to the left. So I like to align my topics to the left. I love my topics to be like this. So I want to align this instead of to the middle. I want to align it to the left. So there is more here. Take your cursor to after the font size. So there's something called more here. So under more, you will see format options. But that's not where you are going. You are going to align. No, align is not written actually. It's an icon for align. And the icon is just like lines. If you look, I don't know if my screen is visible enough. Oops, no.
Is it border color?
No, not border color. It's here. I don't know if you can see the screen here. Can you see where this is?
Okay, I've seen it.
Yes. So
After the plus.
yes, after the plus. So the first item there is aligned to the left.
But in academics, what you have done is does not look good.
Okay. Okay.
It's better to center it.
To center it. Okay. I'm just using.
Just for us to know any
yes,
type
yes.
you want to use.
Yeah. So you can change the background, right? Now to change the background, just take your cursor to your workspace. Yes, just like a drawing paper. If you want to draw, you have a drawing sheet. So the white area, just take your cursor there and right click. Right click. Right click. Have you right clicked?
Yes.
So you are going to see change your background. The options you are going to see, you'll see change your background. Change your background.
Change background.
Yes, change background. There is the option for color, there is the option to add an image to the background, but it's color we want to use now. So you can choose any color.
I didn't see change background.
Right click on the workspace, on the white space, then you will see change background. Change background is after delete. Yes. No, not inside here. On the white space, yes, the white space. Yes, no, the white space.
Maybe that's why.
Yes, the white space.
Mr. Lee, is that your phone?
I'm not here with you. It's my phone right now. Okay.
Sájà mọ́ wá. Nígbà tí mo gbọ́ dára rárá.
So take your cursor out to the white space. Yes, you have to take your cursor out to the white space. Yes, that's the white space. Right. That's change background. So you can now change the color. You can pick a color. Now, I will tell you that you may not need to bother a lot about this. The reason is this. You are not I'm not training you to become a visual designer. So it's possible you are picking color combinations that do not go with yourself.
Now that will not even show when you are present.
That may not show very well. So we are going to work on creating like a template that we can share with you.
All right.
So it's just what you'll be editing to put your own words.
All right.
So I've created like a template now. This is a template for the introduction page. This is a template for the introduction page. I can decide to change the color of the text the same way you format using Microsoft Excel. So I will just highlight everything here. Then
highlight the title.
The text, yes. I want to change my own to white.
All right.
Yes, I want to change it to white. White is great over blue for me.
Okay.
So I highlighted everything, then clicked on these three options where we saw their line. So I want to go and change the text color. I want it to be white. Can we see what I'm doing?
I'm really right clicking again.
No, not right clicking.
Okay.
Now in the option tab, after the font size, I have 24A on my own. There is a 3 dots where we have more. If you take your cursor there, it will show more. So it will show some other options under it after you click it. Then under the more, you will see text color. That is the fourth icon. That you will have something like A. You will see a certain A icon. Can you see that?
No, not yet. The 3 dots?
Yes. Have you clicked the 3 dots?
Yes.
Yes. When you click the 3 dots, okay, someone is coming to assist. Okay.
You had okay, what did you oh, that place. Okay, what do I like this?
No, yes. Go there.
Like this, it's okay. Wow.
Control A, you can use Control A to highlight.
Oh, it has given. Let me make it the same. Thank you. Ah.
All right.
Dean,
Yes.
focus on your system.
Now, this is, I want to now show us an advantage. Now, the advantage of this is this. If you are working on, let's say, a document, you can work on this same document with a lot of persons across the world, right? So, for example, if you are working on a research, and someone is working on chapter 1, chapter 2, you have shared it like that. You can collaborate with this. So, I am going to hide a couple of persons now, and you will be doing the other, you're going to be adding the other maybe aspects of this while I am working on this. So let me bring this up. I want to take it up so that I won't confuse you. All right. So I will ask you for your email address. There's a place here, top here, where you find share. Share. Right? Can you find share?
Yes.
Top right. So I need someone's email address. Let me give it a title. Internet. Okay.
Fumi Ayan.
Okay. Fumi
Ayan 2006
2006
at Gmail.
at gmail.com. Okay, who else is giving me their email address? Let me check my internet. Okay, who else is giving me their email address? Okay, let me take that again. Lizzie Bolaji.
Lizzie Bolaji 12 is just like this one. No, I am starting with
Okay. At gmail.com.
Yes.
the next one.
Maybe he expanded the box.
Is my spelling correct? Lizzy?
Yeah.
Bolaji 12.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll show you. Alright, let me just send to both of you now.
Pastor, what you doing?
No, okay.
Oh.
Share.
Where will he enter? Email.
Yes, but currently I'm having an internet challenge which I am attending to.
Do you want me to share with you?
Alright, I've connected back. So you can check your email address now, you will get a notification. You get a notification. Can you find any notification? Both of you, man.
Not yet. Yeah, I've seen it. There,
Yes, click on it, man. Who else wants to join me?
Is it to open?
GAPS.
Is
Yes,
it open
open.
that we will
Yes,
open it?
Okay.
PST.
Okay.
You don't want to join the Arabola?
H.
Human
At
kind.
Gmail.
Again, sorry, again.
DAPS.
GAPS.
TEPA.
TEPA.
At Gmail.
Alright. So, you are in now, and this is you. Ma, you are in,
Yes, I am.
and this is you
Yes.
on the screen. This is yourself.
Yes.
So we can be working on this same document together. So if there are two persons taking a course, you can prepare the lecture notes together. So in this case now, what I just need to do is to create a second slide. I'll ask you to be working on it. So I'll just right click. If you want to duplicate what you have done here, or you want to create a new slide, you can just basically use this plus button, new slide.
Yeah.
So click on the plus button.
I've done that.
Now for me, I would like to,
Change the background.
yes, I'd like to change the background. For me, my own is coming with black. I guess it was an error I made at a particular time that is making mine come black. Alright, so here I'm removing this. I don't need this. I don't need this.
So how do we change it from black?
Is your own bringing black or white?
Yes, now
Black.
now because you share with us.
Oh, okay, that's true. Now just take it to this. Let me go back. Take your cursor to the paper. Let me just call it paper, right? We call it canvas in design, canvas. So just take your cursor to the black space. Outside, click add subtitle outside of it, then right click, then change background to white. Change background color to white.
Done.
Done. Okay, great.
Are you
Now-
following? Yes, I'm done.
Now the first item there, select
I'm
it.
not getting this in on the system.
How will you get
I'm only doing on my.
You have not joined me.
I've not joined you.
Yes, I added you, but you have not joined me.
Where will I join you?
Your name.
Alright, we are going.
Okay.
Please, I cannot find the share icon.
So
I only have. So
There should be a share
click
icon.
on it.
Yes.
It's
Okay.
giving me share is not available for now.
Oh, that must be. You can refresh the page.
Network is.
You can refresh the page. Yes, it could be
So
network.
I should click on share to receive.
No, you go to your email address. You see the invitation I sent you.
Do you have your email on your system?
Is there?
You should have seen it. You should have allowed it. Click your email.
Open your Gmail account.
This I have to.
This is email. Just go there. Yes, go there. Now, I want you to click on this first one. Have you clicked on it, man? Click on this
Yes,
first
it's
one.
now white.
Good.
Okay, I now
Click on the first one, just once.
Okay, I've done that.
Good. Delete it. Just use the delete button to delete it. Oh no. Take your cursor and let me see. Alright. Use the delete button to delete it. Alright. It's not deleting because. Now delete.
I don't want to do
I want you to remove. So it will give you some okay, I'll work on that. Let me just do it. Let me just show you.
He has to click on
Since-
the line before they delete to highlight.
Yes, okay, or here, basically. So, for me, I don't want this. I'm trying to create something for you that you are going to be able to use to work. So, there is a text icon here, text box. Text icon, after the 70%, you will see the zoom percentage. I have 70%. I don't know what yours is. This is what I'm saying, text box.
Text box.
Yes.
Yeah, where the right see.
Yes. So at the text box area, I am going to create. I'm just showing you for now. Yes. So I created a box where I can write. In fact, I can make it small. I can make this text small. So basically, you can now say tools for setting up online meeting. Now I can stretch it open. Then I'll create another text box to put maybe explanation. Right, this is just a title. This is a title. This is just like an explanation, and it could be highlights. The reason why I'm not spending a lot of time here is because we will eventually just create the template that you will be using anytime you need it. So you can say dress appropriate. Another thing could be, what are the things that we touched on there? Prepare.
Avoid distractions or minimize distraction.
Prepare
Or outline.
an
Set
agenda.
agenda.
Communicate.
Okay.
Clearly.
Yeah. So,
Multitask.
exactly. So I have all of this now done. So I can increase the font. Whatever thing I have done here, you can make it as a template that you'll be using next time. Oops, no. You have deleted my work.
Somebody did it.
Yes.
Who did it?
Oh, yeah.
I'm not coming.
It must be.
Why you keep that? I was not part of the process.
All right. Thank God we had this. Now, thank God we had this situation.
Did I touch it? I didn't touch anything. I was just watching.
Now, this is it. Let me address that. Now, someone that joined deleted my work. Yes, it can be touched. Because we are working together.
Who just joined?
Now, these are the options now. So when you are adding people to your work, you can give them permission level. You can tell people to just view it. You can tell people to just view it. You can tell people to be able to edit also. You can tell people to be able to comment, not edit, but comment. So for example, if I'm working on I have a supervisor now, my supervisor can be following up my work and be giving a comment. Instead of printing it out and dashing it out, you can just highlight it and say, go and change this, add this and all of that. And I can take all the correction and update it. So this is just how we can solve that kind of issue. So when this is ready, I can send this to everybody again, right? I can copy the link to this file and send it to all of my students. So when I copy it and I send it to all my students, they won't be able to edit, they will only be able to read. I can package this and make it a presentation document, a PowerPoint document, and I can upload it. We are going to go there now. When I finish this, I can use this to prepare a class note and upload it for my students to see. So we are going there, and I'm going there gradually, little by little now. So let me just quickly complete this, and we can go there.
But what happened now is dangerous. So if one has done deep work, and somebody did them.
Yes, if the person did it, the person just needs to undo.
Okay.
Yes, if the person just undo to bring it back.
So it becomes a problem if the person saves it.
Now this actually, yes, it's the person that will do the now. No, while you are working, right, you can, while you are working, you can limit the access the person will have on it. It's possible, yeah. All right, so let me just quickly put all of this, and I will package it, and we'll send it to our students. So let me just say blah, blah, blah. All right, I want to change the background for this now. Change background. There are a lot of things you can do with it, but not to take a lot of time. So there's a place called File here, File. So go to File. Now this document automatically saves. You don't need to press Ctrl S. It saves automatically. Yes, and if you undo it, it will undo it and save automatically.
But if you go to the file, what do we do there?
Yes, under File, you will see Download. You can download this and download it as maybe a PDF document, as an image file, or even as a PowerPoint document. So,
Under what is that?
under file,
Fine.
can you see file? File is the options that are on top.
Yeah.
Yes, the option area. Then under file, you will find download. And under download, you will find different kind of options.
Okay.
But I have chosen to export it as a PDF file.
Okay.
Yes, and that's
so
ready.
get that slide, then you can download it based on your different options here.
Yes, anyone you choose. So, if you have prepared this, when you are submitting an application or anything, they may ask you, they may tell you to use a specific format. You can just get it out here. So this is done. Now, let's go to eDossier because of time. I don't want us to, and we have taken a break. So we all have an eDossier account, and the way I have met a lot of you.
So we close this one.
No, you may close it or you just open another tab. I said I have met all of you before, right? A lot of you before, right? And I'll show you how I've met you before without seeing you physically. All right, so you are opening a new tab and you are going to this URL, VCT Oyo, .edossier.app/admin. You are going to this address. I'm sorry, I'm trying to. Yes, I'm trying to connect. Sister Fanny, can you please help me to get each person's ID? I'm just asking you for their name.
ID.
So that's when you type a URL, even if it's not right, then we ask you, maybe you intended to type this.
So they are going to be given a certain ID or password. Yes. Sir, you can help me to. Do they have passwords? Let me share you my internet because I'll need the assistance now.
It's the one replacing TB Joshua. So it doesn't need us.
What in place here?
All right. So we all have and ID and password. Our ID and password is the office we have in the physical world, right? We have an office and we have a key to each of our offices. So, Mr. Femi will be giving us our ID and password when we close. Okay, yes, our network. No, your ID.
It is difficult for you to mind your business. Display.
So you give yes, your ID.
You are hiding.
So you give him a certain.
You are hiding. That's why you are. You have nothing to
Yes. No, it's only just trying to get the ID. If you have access to it. Okay.
You
need to congratulate me.
Just
Will that work with the password?
Okay, I don't know, sorry, I'm sorry. The network, right?
So money I need to carry.
Okay, yes, we want everybody to come.
To this page.
Yes, come around, yes.
But this one that he put level here.
Yes.
Who put that level there?
It's the boss rate. Now, it was, for your own man, there is a reason, and it's an explanation I can make later. Yes, you may not have the current level and step here. So, and we had a reason there.
Is our website working now?
We'll talk about that.
It's affecting us.
Yes, we are trying to build it again because of some reasons.
I hope we don't use all that we have here before.
No, you won't. All right. Are you at the page now, sir?
Use your internet.
Yes.
Reverend Dada. Reverend Dada. Okay. Okay, your ID is not on yet. Who else is at the page? Okay, you're at the page. Your name, man.
ID.
My ID. What is my ID?
VCT6.
Yes.
Number.
I don't know the number.
VCT12. VCT12. Dr. Yesude.
Have you signed in?
Just type 12. You can just type 12. ID. ID 12. Right? You should know.
Password plan.
Okay.
Password. What's your surname? In caps.
Yes, your surname in lowercase. In lowercase. Yeah, that would be Jason Leyer in lowercase.
Invalid login details.
You changed your password.
Okay. And don't worry,
It should be reset. Mama reset it.
We will reset it for you now. Hold on, sir. Hold on.
That's it. Same level.
Well, why that is happening? Why that is happening? I just want to confirm certain things with you. Okay, so
My own password, he said,
yes, he will give you. He's working on it. Don't worry. He was working on your password.
because I put
Man, let me. Do you take any course, man?
I did.
Okay, let's use yours. Sorry. Now, we are at your own area now, and I'm trying to see the courses that you are allocated, that is allocated to you. Sir, I can't find any course for her.
Yes, religious education of youth.
We should not hide it. Okay, good. So, for every lecturer here, you have all your courses. So, we are going to be adding your courses now. Because now it is Mr. Femi that is doing all the work. And now, we'll be giving you your course now to just attend to. And how you are going to be attending to it, you are also going to be shown today. So this is your staff area. They want to add your course now.
So where do we go?
No, it is not you that will be doing that, it's Mr. Femi. I just want to ask you some questions. What programs take the course that you are taking, ma'am?
Degree and diploma.
Okay. Religious education, theology.
Religious education.
Year 1, year 2.
Year 3.
Okay, year 3.
But we have concluded, we have done exam.
Okay. But you are going to teach it.
No, we have taught it. We have finished teaching it.
Okay, yes. But you are going to
teach it again will be next second semester.
Next second semester. Let's just add it once and for all. So, what's the course title again, ma'am?
Religious education of youth.
Okay, yes, of youth. That's RED 3225. All right. What other course, ma'am?
That was the only one I taught this semester.
Okay, so we have added it for you, then we are saving it. Having done that, you are going to see all your students immediately. So, Ma,
Sir.
Go to home.
Oh.
That is, yes, click on home.
Home.
Yes. Can you find home on your email?
I'm there. I'm clicking, but it is not bringing anything. He asked me to click on home. Am I doing it?
Are you on your dashboard now?
Yes, I am.
Alright, so scroll down to the academics area. You will see academics before admission.
So, academic,
yes, you are going to see a list of students and the course that you have been assigned. Can you see that? Just under the academic tab. Don't worry, once you are logged in, you will also be able to do it. Okay, this is
So because the student have registered,
Yes,
it
because
will
you have
bring
registered,
it.
it will bring
It will not make you to be writing student name.
Yes.
You will not be writing their matric number. So it's very easy.
Whoever does not register.
If he does not register, he's not ready to be part of the class. Why invoice? You don't have your number. Maybe me have entered it before, that's why. So will this automatically remain?
Yes. It automatically be there unless it's not changed.
She password in my head, right?
You mean the one that we use to test? You can change it to 0 and just change it to 0. Yes, this one.
What I'm now saying is that is if they have
Yes.
Alright, so I will just also assist in one day.
the only thing with this is that he brought all the students together with the
Yes, I will attend to it.
with the